Hello students. In the last video we have studied about the digestion of food in buccal cavity as well as in stomach. We know that in buccal cavity salivary amylase is responsible for the digestion of carbohydrate, and in stomach pepsin is responsible for the digestion of proteins. Fine. Now we will study about digestion of food in small intestine. Fine. Firstly, the food is mixed with the various secretions in the intestine. How the food gets mixed with the secretions of the intestine? Due to the movements takes place in muscularis layer of alimentary canal. This muscularis layer contains what? Smooth muscles. Those muscles contract or the movements takes place in this layer. These movements will help in thorough mixing of food with the secretions of intestine. Fine. Now what are those secretions of intestine with which the food will get mixed? Those secretions are bile, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice. Fine. We know very much, very well about the bile. These are the ducts of the liver. Here is suppose the liver. Liver will form bile and bile will then stored in the gallbladder. Fine. So these are the ducts of gallbladder which are known as cystic duct. Fine. Through these ducts the bile will mix with the pancreatic juice which is coming from the pancreas. The leaf like structure is the pancreas and this is the pancreatic duct. Through this duct the pancreatic juice will come over here. This is the hepatopancreatic duct. Hepato means the duct of liver. Duct of liver and the duct of gallbladder will meet. This is the common duct. This common duct then meet the duct of pancreas called as hepatopancreatic duct. Fine. So bile from here, pancreatic juice from here, both of these will get poured into the duodenum of small intestine. So what small intestine contains? Bile from the gallbladder, pancreatic juice from the pancreas, intestinal juice of the intestine itself. Fine. So these are the secretions in the intestine with which food will get mixed. Fine. Now let's study about these secretions, like what are the components of these secretions. The first one is the pancreatic juice. Fine. This juice contains various enzymes like trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase, amylase, lipase and nuclease. Fine. These enzymes are present in inactive form. See, jan, trypsinogen, this is inactive. Chymotrypsinogen is also present in inactive form. Pro means also inactive. So these enzymes are present in the inactive form in the pancreatic juice. Now how they will get activated? They will be activated by an enzyme which is present in mucosa of the intestine, and that enzyme is known as enterokinase. Fine. So enterokinase is the enzyme present in mucosa of the small intestine. It will act upon trypsinogen and will convert the trypsinogen into its active form called as trypsin. एक बार trypsin activate हो जाएगा, then it will activate others also, chymotrypsinogen into chymotrypsin, procarboxypeptidase into carboxypeptidase. Fine. This was about pancreatic juice. Second one is the bile juice secreted from the gallbladder. Bile contains what? The pigments bilirubin and biliverdin. The color of bilirubin is yellow or brown and biliverdin is green in color. Fine. Bile also contains some bile salts, cholesterol, phospholipids, but it does not contain any enzyme. Bile does not contain any enzyme but still has an important role in the digestion. How? Because it activates an enzyme which is called as lipase. Lipase is a lipids, or you can say the fats digesting enzyme. Fine. This enzyme is required for the emulsification of the fats. Emulsification of fats means the breakdown of larger particles of the fats into the smaller ones. Fine. So, it will activate lipase enzyme so that this enzyme may work on the fats and brings their emulsification. Fine. Now, third one is the intestinal juice. This intestinal juice is also known as succus entericus, and this juice is a mixture of enzyme like maltase, dipeptidase, lipase, nucleosidase, etc. Fine. Now, how this juice get formed in the intestine? This juice is formed from the two type of the cells, or you can say the secretions. The first one is goblet cells. Goblet cells are present in the mucosa of small intestine. These goblet cells secrete mucus. And secondly, the brush border cells of mucosa. Brush border cells are where the absorption will take place. The brush border appearance will be provided by microvilli cells. Fine. So, the brush border cells of mucosa, they will secrete something like enzymes and all. So, those secretions from the brush border cell of mucosa and the mucus from the goblet cell will formed succus entericus or the intestinal juice. So, what is the intestinal juice? The juice which is formed from the mucus, and mucus is secreted from the goblet cell and the secretions of the brush border cells of mucosa. So, both of these secretions will make intestinal juice. Fine. Now, there is an important thing, that is what is the function of mucus and bicarbonates and what are the Brunner glands. Fine. These Brunner glands are also known as submucosal glands because they are present in submucosa of the duodenum region, and they are found in that portion of the duodenum which is above the hepatopancreatic sphincter. Fine. And these three perform same function, that is they protect the mucosa of the intestine from the acidic effect of gastric juices, because we know that pH is differing in each and every organ. In buccal cavity there was alkaline medium. In stomach then the pH was 1.8, that is acidic environment, but here the environment is alkaline. All these enzymes require the pH 7.8. Fine. So, these three, mucus, bicarbonate and Brunner glands, they will protect the mucosa of the intestine from excoriation, means from damage, or you can say they will protect the intestinal mucosa from the acidic effect of gastric juices and also provide alkaline medium for all of these enzymes to work. Fine. So, this was all about the digestion of food in small intestine. Actually, this is not all about, because we haven't done about the various reactions. Fine. Let us have a separate lecture for the reactions. Fine.